शहर बेंगलुरु का मारूफ तालीमी इदारा सेंट जेवियरिया यानी एसजे ग्लोबल पीयू कॉलेज का ग्रेजुएशन डे मनाया गया। एसजे पीयू कॉलेज के इस खूबसूरत प्रोग्राम में मेहमान खुसूसी के तौर पर एम नेहरू जी शरीक हुए। इन्होंने बच्चों को खुसूसी खिताब किया। बच्चों ने खूबसूरत प्रोग्राम पेश किए। वालिदैन ने एसजे ग्रुप के मैनेजमेंट का शुक्रिया अदा किया। बहुत ही खूबसूरत प्रोग्राम एसजे ग्लोबल पीयू कॉलेज के बच्चों ने तमाम आए हुए लोगों का दिल जीत लिया।
You can fool some people sometime, some people all the time, but not all the people all the time. You can fool anybody, but you cannot fool yourselves. So please remember that. Never do anything unethical.
Growing up, I would say it's still in its infancy. The college is doing so well. I never expected this. I find very high professional standards. That is because Hassan and his mother, who are all very competent and who are very, very passionate about what they are doing. They are not doing this for money. I can make out they're not doing this for money. They are doing this because they enjoy what they are doing. That passion is I see this passion in every act of theirs. And also the staff, the way they have trained the students are doing extremely well, which is a very good sign. And I'm very happy to have come here and address the students.
मैं डॉक्टर मोहम्मद सुहेल इकबाल इस कॉलेज के डिग्री कॉलेज में प्रिंसिपल की खिदमत अंजाम दे रहा हूं और इस कॉलेज में खुसूसन हमारे चेयरमैन जनाब सैयद उबैदुल्लाह साहब जो बहुत सादगी से दिन रात मेहनत कर इस अपने बच्चों को आला तालीम देने के लिए उन्होंने मेहनत की है। इसी तरह फरजाना मैडम जो डायरेक्टर हैं, मैंने उनकी कोशिशों को और उनकी मेहनत ऐसा देख रहा हूं कि सुबह के 9 बजे से यहाँ पर आकर रात के 7 बजे से आकर रात के 9-10 बजे तक यहाँ पर बच्चों की मेहनत करते हैं और ख़ुद एक टीचर बनकर ऐसी ये ला रहे हैं कि उसकी जो नहीं है। इसी तरह से करीब 23-24 साल पहले जब मैंने इस स्कूल को देखा तो वो बहुत छोटी सी थी, लेकिन आज ऐसी मेयार बन गई है कि वो LKG से लेकर UG तक बन गई है। और हमें भी अभी हर लेक्चरर्स को हो, टीचर्स को हो, इतनी आजिज़ी से, इतनी इंतज़ार से ऐसा कहती हैं कि आप मेहनत करो, हमारी कौम को या हमारे बच्चों को, हिंदुस्तानी बच्चों को आगे लाओ। इस तरह से उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं।
The only message to the parents and the students, both of them, just not precisely for one, क्योंकि I've always been saying and everybody knows there's a very old and famous thought कि थाली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती, so दोनों हाथ की ज़रूरत है। The same way the parents and the students involvement together, supporting each other, knowing each other and pushing each other forward will take them to the higher places of success. And of course we are here, we are just like gardeners to the small plant which is bought here. We are just the gardeners. Like they say, we the management are gardeners, the teachers are soil and the plant is our students. So it's just not about only the gardener, it is also about maintaining good soil. A good soil will give good growth. A good gardener like us will water it rightfully and make that plant grow well and big. So it's all about its togetherness. So support of each and everyone in all aspects will definitely give ways and paths to the students to grow and succeed in their life. My name is Syed Inamul Hassan. I'm the Vice Chairman of SJ Global PU and Degree College.
This is one moment where the parent as well as the students achieve success, not only just because of coming and joining the college, because of their hard work, dedication and all those things. Our students here have been taught in a meticulous way through holistic development, because we are going to train the future doctors, engineers, chartered accountants and all those people. At this very moment, we are very happy to share our happiness with the students, with the parents and who have made this institution possible. So at the outset, I would encourage the other people who are willing to join our college or those who are looking forward to join an institution to come and join us, learn from us, develop and conquer the world. That's it from me. Thank you.
I'm feeling glad because I have achieved this. Because of my teachers, I have achieved this. They made me learn good. They teach me well, and I experience a good faculty. There are very good teachers.
So how many you studied here?
I studied here from second PU. This is my second year. I'm studying, and I'm very happy to study here.
Karma, I have received this award because the teacher put more efforts to make us study, and they made us to sit and personally made us to study, and they said if you need any help then you can WhatsApp message any time. So we did it and we achieved this award, and I thank to teacher and especially Farzana ma'am. Thank you.
My name is Subia Zainab. I have completed my schooling and PU in this college. I have scored in 10th 92% and in this PU 81. So they have given us the constant guidance, support and discipline to grow, to achieve in our goals. So now I am doing computer science engineering at Brindavan College. So thank you ma'am for your support and guidance.
Good evening everyone. So I am the student of SJ Global PU College. I have a good experience of 2 years in this college. There are amazing teachers who help in every possible way. They have not only academics but everything, whatever we ask to, they have been ready to help us whatever we had, and friends are amazing. So my score is 90% and I was the highest in economics of 98 marks, and business I got 97.